TEC tips can make a simple desktop refrigerator. Let's try it together now. Put heat insulation gaskets on the radiator. Apply thermal grease evenly on both sides of the refrigeration sheet. Both hot and cold surfaces are attached to the refrigerator. Stack the fan acrylic guard plate fan mesh cover in sequence and assemble it. Install the cooling fan on the cooler. Remember not to stick it too tightly so that the fan cannot rotate. Then connect the positive and negative electrodes to the power socket. Then assemble our boxes. Top mount thermometer. A simple desktop refrigerator is ready. Turn on the power and the refrigerator starts to cool. How are you feeling?